and Dr. Ganga Kiran and my other professional colleagues. Very good evening. So today we are going to talk about the consensus that is statin in diabetes. So the pragmatic and the early usage of statin in diabetes patients for prevention of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease. Indian experts consensus. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Yeah, please. Chandrasekhar, can you just move on to the next slide? It's not moving? Yeah. Coming to the agenda, it is divided into 5 parts actually. The first one being the current guideline recommendation for statin use in diabetes with various comorbidities, and the second part is benefits of the statin use in diabetes, and third is statin use in India among diabetes with different age groups, and next is need, rationale, and the objective of the consensus, and the last part will be the survey outcome discussion, the early use, the section 1 and 2. Next slide, please. So I will be covering the first 4 parts, and my co-speaker Dr. Kiran will be taking up the last part, which is the important part actually. So from this slide we can see that the coronary artery disease or the stroke risk is 2 to 3 times greater in diabetes patients versus without diabetes. It is obvious. That is the reason why we call this particular the phrase always the golden phrase, what we say, diabetes is always the coronary equivalent. That is almost true from the last 2-3 decades, and until now it is also with the so much improved the technology, with so much improved the medications, the treatment algorithms, still diabetes poses a threat and the increased risk for the atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease, which includes this particular the coronary artery disease and the stroke actually. So you can see this the number of the cases, the coronary artery disease, the coronary heart disease, that includes both the fatal and the non-fatal events. That is, the total number taken was 26,505, and out of that the coronary deaths were 11,556, and non-fatal myocardial infarction was 14,741. And when you come to the strokes, the subtypes like the ischemic stroke was 3.799, and the hemorrhagic stroke is 1,183, and the unclassified strokes, that is they put together it is around some 4,973, and other vascular deaths was somewhere around some 3,826. Next slide, please. Yeah, the current guideline recommendation, the diabetes and use of statin. It is something like type 2 diabetes and early usage of insulin was postulated by the Novo Nordisk people actually. Likewise, now it is high time we have to use this particular statin in diabetes, and how early is the $1 million question actually. And we can see the different recommendations like the American Diabetes Association 2021 recommendation that was released in the month of December 2020 itself. The diabetes care that gives the guidelines for this particular year 2021, that says for the primary prevention, the statins, the diabetes aged around 20 to 39 years with additional atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease and risk factors, and it may be reasonable to initiate statin therapy in addition. So coming to the age group in between 40 to 75 years without atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease, moderate intensity statin therapy is advised. And coming to this, the diabetes at higher risk, especially those with the multiple atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease risk factors, are aged in between 50 to 70 years. It is reasonable to use the high intensity statin therapy. These are the recommendations for the primary prevention by the American Diabetes Association 2021. Yeah, next slide please. And in continuation of this particular the American Diabetes Association 2021 recommendations and the diabetes care that gives the standards of the medical care in diabetes, the American Diabetes Association 2021 recommend the use of high intensity statin in diabetes for primary prevention in the patients above 50 years. In patients with diabetes at higher risk, especially those with multiple atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease risk factors are aged 50 to 70 years, it's reasonable to use the high intensity statin therapy, and the class of recommendation at the level of recommendation is B. It is not A actually, it is level B evidence actually. Okay, next slide please. And you can see in this slide that the European Society of Cardiology 2019 treatment goals for the LDLC across the categories of total cardiovascular disease risk. And on the y-axis you can see the treatment goal for LDLC, and on the x-axis you can see the cardiovascular risk. So, previous slide please. Please, previous slide. Yeah, please. So the treatment goal for LDLC according to the European Society of Cardiology 2019 recommendations say that okay, we need to start it at the level of 116 when the LDLC is at 116 milligram per deciliter, and the risk is low actually. The score is the cardiovascular risk profile score is less than 1%, and 100 milligram the treatment goal should be 100 milligram if the risk is moderate, that is the young patients, that is the patients suffering from type 1 diabetes less than 35 years or type 2 diabetes less than 50 years with diabetes duration less than 10 years without any other risk factors, and it should be as low as 70 milligram per deciliter when the risk is high, that is the score is around or more than 5 and less than 10%, and markedly elevated single risk factor, in particular the total cholesterol being more than 310 milligram per deciliter, and the LDLC more than 190 milligram per deciliter, or the blood pressure is more than or around 180/110 milligram per mercury, and the family history without other major risk factors, and the moderate chronic kidney disease where the estimated glomerular filtration is somewhere around some 30 to 59 ml per minute, that is stage 3A and stage 3B of the CKD, and the diabetes without the target organ damage with diabetes duration around or more than 10 years or other additional risk factors. And the goal should be set at 55 milligram per deciliter when the risk is very high, and we try to go for this particular the LDLC to be somewhere around or less than 55 when the risk is very high, like there is an established case of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease and the family history with atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease or with any other major risk factor. The severity severe CKD, that is the estimated glomerular filtration rate is less than 30 ml per minute, that includes the stage 4 chronic kidney disease or the diabetic kidney disease, or the stage 5 diabetic kidney disease, the end stage renal disease or the end stage kidney disease, on the diabetes mellitus and target organ damage, and with around or more than 3 major risk factors, or early onset of type 1 diabetes of long duration, that is the more than 20 years duration of type 1 diabetes, they come under very high risk. And in this context, I would like to mention, I always remember my mentor, Dr. Mike Edmonds, who was the head of the Department of Endocrinology at King's College Hospital, where I was trained. So he used to always tell us that one has to compete with the dogs as far as LDLC is concerned, because the dog is the only animal with the LDLC of less than 40, and that lives for a long period actually when compared to the other categories of the animal. So we should aim for the more lower is more physiological, but how low it is, he always used to say, like 3 decades ago he used to say it is around some 40. Now the days have come that we are trying even to the very high risk cases, we are trying not the 55 milligram per deciliter, we are trying for less than 40 milligram per deciliter of LDLC. Next slide please. And LDL lower is better, absolutely. How lower is better? It is lower is always physiological, somewhere around 55 or 55 or the 40 is reasonably low, and you cannot go below that because it has got some other side effects, like the low LDLC is associated with the increased risk of suicidal tendencies, and early is better in diabetes. Yes, LDLC and the coming to the next slide, the primary prevention of cardiovascular death events in patients with type 2 diabetes. The statin therapy provides reduction of the cardiovascular disease events and the revascularization and amputation. Battery dead. ఏమయ్యా బ్యాటరీ లేదు, ఎక్కడ ఛార్జ్ రామకృష్ణ? దాదా త్వరగా రా. స్టార్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఇదా? మొత్తం స్పాయిల్ చేసుకుంటాను కృష్ణ. నేను పిలవకుండా ఉంటే కూడా బెటర్ ఉండేది, నా మొబైల్లో చేసుకున్నాను. ఎన్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టి ఇక్కడ సాధించింది ఏమి లేదు. నేను మొదటే చెప్పినాను ఫుల్ బ్యాటరీ ఉందా అని. అయిపోయింది.
సార్ ఉన్నాను సార్, ల్యాప్టాప్ అనే ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది సార్, అది తీసేస్తున్నాను సార్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఓకే సార్, 2 నిమిషాలు జాయిన్ చేస్తాను.
లోడ్ అదే కావట్లేదా? క్యాప్స్ లాక్ ఎందుకని
జూన్
జాయిన్.
బస్ అట్లా
944 delete it. 944 0. Yeah, this is one.
వస్తున్నాను సార్.
Recording in progress.
Region of participants is 159. The vaccines are distributed throughout the country, south, west, north, east and northeast. So majority of the doctors we see are from